1161, rotating polar curves. So grabbing your graphing calculator, I want you to graph r equals 1 plus 2 sine theta, and then go ahead and graph r equals 1 plus sine, and then of theta minus pi over 4. And I want you to go ahead and put that on your paper, what you see. So pause the video and put it on your paper, the graphs of both of those. So the red one is the r 1 plus 2 sine theta, and the blue one is r equals 1 plus sine of theta minus pi over 4. So what happened here? What can you say happened? What do you think happened? Yeah, I agree. Rotated, the blue one was rotated by pi over 4, and we would say counterclockwise. So counterclockwise by pi over 4. Okay, so go ahead and do the next one. What do you think? You make your prediction and then go ahead and graph both of those. So what do you think happened? So there's the graphs. The red one is the original. The blue one is the rotated one. So what happened here? This one was rotated and this one went clockwise by pi over 3. All right, letter C, take a look at that one. If we have the original and it wants to rotate it counterclockwise by pi over 2, what would you write? So r equals 4 sine, and then it's 2 now. The 2 is, you can factor that out, and then it would be theta, and then if it's counterclockwise, it would be minus pi over 2, and then plus, and I'll have to bring this down here because I don't have enough room, 2 sine cubed, and then the 4 factored out is theta minus pi over 2. That would be the equation for C.